If you struggle with installing 4x4 wigs and have absolutely no clue what to do in terms of styling and installing, I got you, sis, okay? Keep on watching because I make it super simple for you. Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Alicia. For those who may not know me, welcome to the family. Today I'm installing this wig, but first, this makeup look, okay? Don't ask me how I achieved it because I absolutely have no clue what I did. It was heavily freestyled, but if you're interested, I could do a video on how I do my makeup. But we digress. Let's get right into this wig. Okay, y'all, on my channel, you know, I stress moisture and hydration. Yes, there is a difference. I literally just learned this at the hair store, but hydration and moisture is king. If you want to know the difference, leave a comment down below and I'll make a video on that. To moisturize my hair, I use the LOC method. Leave-in of any kind, oil, and conditioner. That's the order. It works best for my hair. My all-time favorite oil is wild growth oil. This oil, if I use it on a consistent basis, my hair will see so much more growth. It truly works and I absolutely love this product. Make sure you get the ends of your hair as well, as this is the oldest part of your hair, so it needs some love, okay? So show it some love. And to further protect our ends, we're just gonna braid the ends of our hair down. This will make sure that our wig lays flat and there is no bump, and just to ensure that everything stays put when we do the install of our hair. Next, we are going to slick back the edges. This will ensure that we have a seamless install. I never used to take the time to do this part, so if you're having trouble with your closures and or frontals, make sure you slick back the edges. This will make a world of a difference, I promise you. When blow drying, make sure the setting is on a low setting and cool setting. This will cure and harden the gel and make the hair stay in place. After you're done, it should look like this. All slicked back, giving you a clean start for your install. Remember, if the foundation is good, the install will be great. Now we're going to put our stockings on, and it could be honestly any type you want. It could be the regular ones that I use. It could be the HD ones. Whatever makes you sleep at night, girl, just use it, okay? I use these ones because it came with the wig and it's just easier to use for me. So that's what I use. Now I use my Mario bronzer stick to give my stockings a seamless scalp color. This ensures that the wig, lace, and stockings are matching. You can use anything you like. I just so happen to use my by Mario stick, and I don't use it on my skin anymore since I use it on my lace and stockings. It has gotten all greasy and oily, so I'll just get another one because it's absolutely so cheap, right? But just make sure to blend it all in so that you have a good clean finish, okay? Blend, blend, blend. Now for the fun part, this is the wig. It's actually 4 years old, to be honest with you, fun fact, and it still looks good, okay? You'll see. Now we have to match the lace to our scalp and our skin tone. So the same bronzer I use, I'm going to put it on the lace so that way we get that flawless look. Yes, I'll listen to music. This is my favorite part of doing my hair as well. I thoroughly enjoy it, as you guys could like see it. I am currently on a worldly music fast, so I've been listening to only gospel music, and it feels honestly so refreshing. While I was installing this wig, I forgot how I looked in an almost bust down wig, y'all. It's been a while and I can see the vision. I can see how I want it to be, and I'm so excited, okay? I haven't had a wig installed in a while, but I just absolutely love the way it looks, and I can see what I want with the layers and the curls, and yeah, let's get right into styling this wig. So some details on this hair. I believe I got this hair from either AliExpress or Najula Hair. I believe it is Najula Hair because most of my wigs are from there. I absolutely love this wig. This wig is a 4x4 24-inch. Again, I had it for 4 years and it's still holding strong. The shine is still there. It sheds minimally and it looks amazing. Again, if you guys want to have these type of good wigs, I do have a code down in the description down below. Make sure you guys use it and save you guys some coins. But I absolutely love Najula Hair, and if you guys want to have good installs and good wigs, definitely go to Najula. You won't be disappointed. Now to install the wig, make sure you brush all the hairs all the way back so it doesn't get stuck in the glue. Y'all, my forehead is showing out. Jeez. Okay, so this is the glue I'm using. I got it from CLOSURE Beauty. I am very scared to use a bold hold. I've seen so much bad reactions on TikTok. I am so scared. So I'm sticking to this one and my Eben spray. It's been working well for me, so I'll continue to use it. And remember, if it's not broken, you don't need to fix it. One thing to remember when using the glue, less is more. Put a thin layer on, spread it with either a comb tail or a stick. I personally love using the stick. It spreads way better for me and I have more control. I do this about 2 to 3 times. I usually keep it on for about 2-3 days, my wig, so this is enough layers for me. And I also use the cool setting on my blow dryer just to make it all tacky. Then on my last layer, I go in with the Eben adhesive spray. Y'all, I absolutely love this spray. It works well by itself too, so you don't need to use the glue all the time. So just spray it, spread it, and let it get tacky. And you know the glue is tacky when the glue is stringy. That is your telltale. That's when you can put the lace on and make sure you have a good grip. So when you're putting the lace on the glue, you want to take your time with this, okay? Be very gentle, take your time, make sure that you are positioning the lace where it needs to be positioned, because once it's on the glue, you do not want to remove that lace, okay? You want to also make sure that the lace is hair free, so comb back the lace, use your comb, and make sure you put pressure on the lace as well, because you want to make sure that you have a nice seamless look. Now we're laying the lace with a melting band. Now sis, if you do not have a mini headache within 5 minutes, you need to tighten that band some more, okay? This band needs to literally push the lace onto the glue and in your scalp as well. It needs to become one with you. So you need to have that mini headache so that way you have that seamless scalp look. So while my lace is being engraved in my scalp, this is the time I style my wig. For me, I love me a middle part bust down, okay? This is my favorite go-to hairstyle. At this point, it's so important and it's actually less time consuming just to see what hairstyle works best and start to mold the hair down as well. The wax stick, I got this from like a random beauty, wow, words, store. But honestly, any wax stick works. It's actually all about the hot comb. And my hot comb isn't the best, but it's what I got, so it's what I use, okay? But when you use a hot comb, you want to press down that hot comb into your hair to get that laid look. If you have thick hair, try doing it in layers so that way you can get a flatter look. Now for the moment of truth. This part always scares me because I never know what I'm going to get, but it looks so good. Honestly, I've been practicing laying my wig and it is honestly really paying off. I'm getting better with each time, and let me just pat myself on the shoulder, okay? Because it's good. But once you remove the band, comb your hair away from the front and remove any hairs that may have gotten stuck on the lace. Combing the hairs back will loosen up the strands as well and give you a flowing look. To help melt the lace even more, I'm going in with a Fantasia spritz. This will help melt the lace and give it the extra hold. I spray it on my finger and place it on the very edge of the lace. Try not to get it on the hair because it will become stiff and that is not what you want. Then you're going to put on the melting band for another 5 minutes and then rub the excess amount of glue on your forehead with some alcohol just to clean it up, and this is what you will have. Adding a bit of bronzer will also take away that white coat and it will give you that scalp, that lace wear look. You know what I mean? This is all scalp at this point, okay? But this is crazy because my insoles before were trash. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, they were so trash. But now, girl, is only up from here. Now my next favorite part is the cutting and the styling. But don't be fooled, okay? I'm not gonna sit up here and tell you that I'm a professional with the scissors because I ain't, okay? I just know what I want and I cut it until I see the vision come to fruition, okay? I was going for a loose, messy front layer curl look, so I just cut layers at the front until it kind of shaped my face. Another thing I highly recommend is to cut the ends blunt. Sis, this will elevate the change of your hairstyle dramatically. It just gives it a more finished and polished look, and it completes the look as well. It's an instant fix in my books, to be honest, so give it a try, and it doesn't have to be a lot. Just cut off enough to make it look good.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me.
Now I'm going in with the flat iron. This flat iron I got from Amazon, and it is freaking amazing. I've actually never had an 1.5 inch with flat iron before, and I wanted one, so I went on Amazon and I got it, and I am in love. Okay, it just makes my hair look good afterwards. It makes it look sleek, it makes it look clean. So if you're interested, it's in my Amazon store, and it's linked in the description down below. This is how my left side turned out. I absolutely love it. I love the flat iron curls opposed to using the actual curling iron. I just feel like the curling iron will be too tight, but I loved how it turned out. And with magic, the right side is done as well. But doesn't it look good, you guys? And the blunt ends just gives it that elevated look. It just chef's kiss. It ties in the whole hairstyle for me. And if you guys remember how the wig looked like before and now, I feel like I did such a good job. So this is how it looks all the way around, and you could honestly just achieve this hairstyle. Just follow these steps and you can get it just the way it looks right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed and learned something more, don't forget to like this video as well and share it. I love you all, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!